Hello guys, welcome back to our another video. This is your Preet. Guys, in this video I will teach you how you can build a premium quality business website for your business. This is a complete tutorial, so don't skip any part of this video. Like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Let's get start this video. So I already installed my WordPress dashboard here. If you not yet installed WordPress on your hosting platform, you can check link in description to purchase discounted hosting plans. And then we have to install WordPress on our hosting. Then we have to check our permalink setting in the WordPress to make sure our permalink is set to post name. For that, we will go to settings, click on permalinks. In the permalinks, make sure your permalink set to post name. This is one of the best setting for URL structure. And click Save Changes. Okay, then let me show you my dashboard here. Okay, now we will start installing our free theme and also with some plugin to provide extra functionality for our website. Let me go ahead in Appearance tab and click on Themes. When you click on Themes, we have to click here Add New Theme. Here, you have to scroll down and find Bloxy theme here. This one. Bloxy is one of the best and it comes with the premium quality demo content and also the nice structure, mobile friendly. You can try out Bloxy for business website. Then let's go ahead, click on install and wait for it install on our WordPress website, and then click on activate right away. As you can see, our theme successfully activated. Now in the appearance tab, we will see new option Bloxy. Click on that. So here we have some Bloxy theme setting here. We have a color option. We also have documentation and we can customize it from here. Typography options, footer option, header option. So we will customize all these options step by step. If you scroll down, you will see some plugin recommendation. We have here Bloxy companion and we will install this plugin. You also can install Bloxy child theme. By using child theme, you can modify any file without the fear of breaking something in the parent theme, in the main theme. So this child theme will support your structure of your website. Let's go ahead, click on Bloxy companion, or you can install it from the plugins. You also can click directly here, install Bloxy companion, and it will be activate right away. Okay, so we have successfully installed our Bloxy companion plugin. Now you will see new option here, started sites. Let me go ahead, click on it. Okay, so we have different theme options according to your business. What type of business you have, you can easily choose the structure, the design of your website. What type of design you would like to go with. In the plan option here, click on it and click free. When you click free here, we have option all builders. You can choose here if you want to go with Elementor. If you choose Elementor, the website will be you will able to customize your website or edit anything on your website like homepage or create new page with Elementor. So this will support Elementor. If you choose Gutenberg, you will able to edit or customize your website with Gutenberg basic editor. So let me click on Elementor. Now it will give us a suggestions here for the design. We have consultant, smile dentist, we have word restaurant, almost a lot of business options here: cleaning services, justice, persona, web agency, wedding, yoga, charity, review hub. As you can see here, we have a business demo content here, available for Gutenberg, Breezy and Elementor. This is what we install now. The name of this template is business. Okay, let me go ahead, click import. Okay, so we will install our child theme. In case if we have any issue with the main theme file, then child theme will support our website design or structure in the backend. So let me select child theme here and click next. Here we will choose Elementor, but you also can choose Gutenberg, depends on you which website editor you feel is easy to customize with. Let me choose Elementor and click next. Here it will ask you to install Elementor plugin and WP form plugin, so we will able to create our form on our website. Let me select all these both and click next. Then import content option. This will import post, pages, comments, navigation menu. It will actually import demo data of the template, which you can easily edit or customize later on. And then we have a downside option, clean install. If you have any previous, for example, if you already have a business website before but you wanna switch to this design, let me show you first this design. As I already show in the starting, the design of this business theme looks beautiful. Okay, when we hover our mouse, and design is beautiful, and it's also comes with the fast speed. If I click any tab and it open immediately, we have contact page, blog page, about us page. Okay, blog page comes with the sidebar where we have latest post. We can add it and add our own stuff here related to business. So here we have our home page. We need to customize according our business. Okay, so let me go ahead, choose our demo content. You have to check this option, clean install, if you previously have already content, but make sure this option will remove the previous imported content and will perform a fresh and clean install. If you already have post, pages or important form, you have to first save them, or you can backup your data with the WP backup plugin. You can find a backup plugin in the plugin options. Let me go ahead, select all these options, click install. Now it will install demo data on our WordPress dashboard. So we have to stay here. Do not refresh your page, because it might create problem while importing your demo data. If you refresh it and reinstall the demo data, it will mix the content and it will be heavy on your website. As you can see, starter site imported successfully. Now you can view your website or start customizing it. You can directly click on customize, or if you wanna view your website first, click on view site. As you can see, our business website is ready to view here, and it comes with the all tabs. This is easy to customize all these tabs according our business. In the take action button, we can just go ahead and change this button to call to action or contact us, about us, something. Also we have button in the menu bar. Then here we can directly display our form here, or if you wanna contact us now, and it will bring you to the contact us page. But if you wanna just put the form on the main page, it's easy to put contact form here. I will show you later. Then if you scroll down, we have a video tabs. We can change video according, but if you want to delete any tab, this is easy to delete any tab. Like this is particular tab, you don't want the video on the home page, you can easily remove this. And then we have a reviews. If you want to keep this, add it, you can easily do so. And then we have a footer option, footer section, we can easily customize it. Let's go ahead, click on customize. When you click on customize, it will bring you to customize area, where we have to go step by step. As you can see, this is our customizing area in left side here. This one, general option. In the general option, we have a header, footer, sidebar, color of website, typography, performance, which is really nice options we have. And we will go one by one all these options. But if you want to get more features, you can click view more feature or link in description for discount. You can check out more features. Okay, so let's go ahead from the header tab, and we will change this logo. We will change our menu tabs and also button. Let's first click on general option. Okay, then we have first option, layout. Click on it. Layout. Actually, this is the layout of width of your website. It's already set to 1290. Most website comes with a 1280. I will not recommend, do not change this pixel, because the size of this website is already good. Okay, so we will skip layout option, then we will go to button. Or you can just hover your mouse anywhere on the right side here. If you hover your mouse to the logo, and you will see blue dots, click on it, and it will open the 3 tabs here, where we will able to customize completely our header. Like if we need to add more stuff, we can add more stuff in the header option, or you can follow the rows downside here. As you can see, our stuff is in middle row right now. We have first row, we call it top row, middle row, and bottom row. You can follow this one. In top row, we have nothing here. And in the main row, first we have a logo. Click on it, and here, left side, it will ask you to change your logo. So you have option, little small edit button. When you hover here, it will say edit, or you can delete, remove the old logo. You can simply remove this one and click on select logo again to change this logo. Click on select logo. Now I will recommend to choose any logo like that, and then we will adjust the width and height of our logo so it visible more clear way. Okay, then we have a transparent state logo, where we have to put transparent logo. Let me remove all these old logos. Okay, now you can see it's very small, looking very small. Then I will scroll down the logo section, and you will see logo height. Just increase it like that. Okay, I set to 95 pixel and publish. Now our logo is already there. I use transparent logo, but you have an option to put the main logo. Then you have an option also for the transparent state logo. If you have a separate transparent logo, sticky state logo. Okay, if I scroll down my website, it's a stick here. The header tab is stick here. Okay, if you don't have any logo yet, but if you wanna just put your website name, title or tagline, example you don't have logo, just you delete all these logo and there is nothing to show. Just scroll down and you will find site title option. Just enable it and put your website name here. Okay, then if you wanna add a tagline, go downside site tagline, enable this also and put your tagline. Okay, like that, and click publish. You can use just your website name if you not have logo yet. If I hover here, as you can see there is a purple color. We have to change color in the color tab for our website. But you can, if you wanna only change color for your website title here, just go to same tab, click design and default state, go to hover. If you wanna change hover color, if I hover my mouse, there is a purple color. Just to change the hover color like red, and it will be red upon hover mouse. Okay, but if you wanna change the main color, now black, just to go ahead, click on the initial and change the main color. Okay, this way. Click publish. Don't forget to click publish. Then you also can change your website tagline fonts, also the site title fonts. Okay, example you wanna make a business website, as this is our tagline, you wanna make it little more bold, just to go to site tagline font and number 3 option, there is a medium, click on it and you can make it semi bold, bold 700, and it will be changed right way. You can also change the pixel. If you want to increase font size like that, you can play around here like that. I will recommend keep it 13, 14 or 15 around. Okay, but if you want to increase the size of your main website title, go to title and middle one, there is a 25 pixel, click on it, increase this one. Okay, if you want to make smaller, just decrease the pixel here. Font family, default family, click on it and you can change font of your website title like that. You can try out different fonts. Let me put here 17. 18 looks more visible and good. For the title I will recommend 22 to 24, and for tagline we use I think 18. You can go with 18, 19, because site title always bigger here in the pixel. And click publish. Now let's go to our menu options, or you can follow the row here. The middle we have a menu 1, click on it, and here you have option to select menu. If you not yet have menu ready, I will recommend first to create a menu. How to create menu? Let me go ahead to my WordPress website, the dashboard, and I will visit the option appearance, and then click menus. Just wait for it. Yeah, so here you can create new menu by clicking here, create new menu, create a new menu, click on it. Before you create a new menu, I will recommend you to first create your business pages. What type of page you require in the business, like static page, like contact us page, about us page, term and conditions. Okay, for that you have to go to pages, add new page, or you can check all pages, what type of pages you have in website. Once you already create all the pages, then when you create menu, there it will be easy to click here view all in the pages option, and you have to select which page you wanna add in menu here. Just to select that one, click add to menu. It will be added this side here. So after you create your menu, you can adjust your menu here by clicking menu 1, and you have to follow the elements here. If you want to add more elements in the header section, you have an option here in global header left side where you have an account option. If you want to add any login websites, you can just drag this login anywhere like that, and you will see account icon. I will suggest you keep the account option here in the very end near the take action like that. You can see my mouse here, button account. Then you can just drag it if you wanna, and then you need to drag some more items just to menu 2. If you wanna add another menu in that or in the top bar, just then you have to drag this menu to the top bar section here, because we have 3 rows here, 1 2 3, bottom row, main row and upper row. And then just click on this menu and choose your menu you wanna add in the top bar here. You can just change top level design for top menu like that here. Okay, we need to change its color. It's a violet color when we hover. Then we have to go to click on it, or just click on top row option here, the main option. Then you have an option design, and you have to change the color default state, okay, for the top bar, transparent state. Okay, this way you can change its colors. If you want to delete top row, just to delete the icons, these icons, by clicking this X button. Okay, let's go to button take action. Click on the button, and left side you can choose button style like that, small or medium size button. Okay, then change its color, button color, by visiting design option and change its color like that. Okay, when we hover, it will be, you can change hover color by clicking hover here. I set red color in initial, then hover color you can change like here, like it. Okay, then you want to change text of this color from take action to call us or something. Just go back to general option, scroll down, label text. Label text you have to change it, contact us like that. Now then you have to provide the URL of this button. If someone click here contact us, where they should visit. You can find your pages in pages option. Go to pages, click all pages. Here you will find your contact page here. Okay, this one. Just go ahead, you will see option view, right click on view, copy link address. Okay, then this link we will just paste here. That's all, and publish. Now let me show you. Open this website into new tab. If our button working, click contact us and it will bring you contact us page like that. Okay, we will change all these things later on. If you want to add secondary label, just check it up, just enable this one, like hurry up, limited time for e-commerce website, but you can write your own label here. Okay, then scroll down, you have a link. If you wanna add this, when someone click here contact us, should they open into new tab Like if someone click here, new tab will be open for them. Okay, user visibility, who can see this contact us button? Login users, log out user. If you want to keep both, just to keep it, don't change it. Okay, click publish. Now let's go to next options. What we have? Okay, header. Then we have a social. We wanna display our social media icons anywhere on the header, and we will find the element we have available here. We have a socials. Just to drag it top bar, because always we display in the top bar. Here we need to change its color. Click on socials, go to design and change its color. Now it's more visible now. Okay, but you can also drag it to nearby the button. Just to drag to downside middle row, like that. It will be added here. Okay, then general, and you have to provide a Facebook URL, and you have to configure correctly. When you click socials, it will be open here. Facebook, just expand this one, click on it. Okay, and click one by one. You need to change its color. Okay, you can change Apple Podcast. You can add more stuff like a Behance. Select Behance, then click this plus icon. It will be added downside. If you wanna delete any social media, just click on this X. It will be removed. Okay. Okay, let's go to next option. You wanna add search bar. We have search bar element here. Just to drag it. I wanna make it in the top bar. That's okay. Here we have search bar. Just click on the search, and you can adjust the icon size of this. I will recommend around 20, 18 to 20, but you can adjust accordingly. Search result, you can change its placeholder tags. Okay, then you can adjust these things. Live result, images, if you wanna include images in the search. If you wanna only live result or product, if you have e-commerce website, okay, then you have to enable product price. It will also include everything. Then downside, we have a search thought criteria. If someone you allow, they just only able to search blog post, then only check post, not pages. But if you wanna also they able to find your pages like contact us, they will just click on search button and they will put in the search contact us. It will be search contact us page for them. Okay, you can change the top row color. Let me show you. Click on top row. Let me first change its color. You can view always the mobile site by clicking downside here. You can see my mouse like that, how it look like. You can also add image in the top row, middle row, in the back end. Then you have to click the first state, go to image and put that image you want to display in the background instead of the color. Let's change its color. Okay, we will go back, all the way back, and go to colors option in the general option colors, and here we have to change some colors. Scroll down, let's check out base tags, tags selection. You can change your old color for your old website. Site background color. Okay, then you have color 3, color 4. You can add more color. Click add new color here. Add new color, and you have to choose your color. Color number 9. Click on it and choose which color you want to consider as color 9. Then let me show you here for base text. Let's try to change it. Yeah, base text you can adjust. You wanna keep it white like red, and it become red always. Black, you can keep it black like that, or middle gray like it. Okay, now if I hover my mouse, it's like violet color. You can change it from here, links, initial hover link, change the hover link. Let me try this one. This is, I think, for the, yeah, here for the main menu, like links. The text has a link available. For example, here a menu has links. When we hover, it's red color now menu. You have to change the links from the links option. You can change it. Okay, if you wanna just go to default one, click on it, and downside just clear it. You can choose your color. Okay, text selection, you can change text selection. You can try out different colors here. Okay, which one you like, you can just but you can manually change your colors in when we customize our front page. For example, in this particular tab you want to change only this color. I will show you that one later on. This is just for whole website if you want to make changes. Okay, so now let's go to the footer section. To customize its footer, we have to visit the customize area again, and where we earlier customize our header. Under header you will find out footer section option. Let's click on footer option, and it will again open the wizard area where we can just navigate even on the footer. Just to hover the mouse and you will see edit option, or you can follow these boxes. As you can see, middle row we have a 4 item, 1 2 3 4, and downside we have copyright and social. Here this is the separate section, and below row this one where you can change copyright text, social media buttons, or you can just follow this box and click on the item you want to add it. For example, copyright, click on it, and here left side it will open copyright where you can change its text. Okay, and then social media button, click on it, and left side click one by one and provide the social media links. Then we have a middle row here. We have contact info, about us, quick links. Okay, let's click on first one, contact info. You can click edit here right away, or you can click visit area 4 because this is the first item in the middle row. You can follow the items, and now here click inside it, click with the mouse, and it will make editable. Just to normally click with the mouse and start typing address. Just click on it and you can make changes. Visit area number 1, the next one, about us, about organization, our client pages. Here it is. Okay, now let's click on inside the box, and here about us. Downside you will see about us, the links, about organization, our client, our for example, if you want to add more items here, or just to change these present, just to cancel the item or rename it. Example, about us, about us. Okay, now you have to do one thing. You have to select this one, select all, and here you will see insert link option, the little link icon here. Click on it and provide the about us link here, or you can search here normally about, search about, and it will suggest you some pages. Select your page about. Now about us has been added. Okay, but make sure when you select the whole text here, after that when you find about and select the page about, click, don't forget to click here apply. It will be applied. Now it's clickable, you can see. our client, you can change it. And if you want to change the old one like our partners, you can follow the edit here. Okay, edit and provide the link. If you want to change, for example, our client, just select and you can go to just type with the mouse privacy policy, and now we will select the whole text again and click this link icon and search for the page you want to add here. This way, same way you have to follow in the quick links, important links, always it the same option, same thing. If I open visit number 2, quick links, and here it is quick links, click on it. In the box you have to make changes again for the links. Okay, useful information, scroll down, it will you will see another box, useful information, this one downside. Click within it and start typing, change. Keep scroll down if there are more items, but you can click here plus icon to add more block in the row downside. Okay, then next, the last one, visit area 3, here it is, just click on it, or you can click here, it will open important links. In the last one there is only one page, but if you want to delete something, just to select the box, and upper side you will see 3 option icon, and downside in the last you will see delete, it will delete the item. Okay, now if you want to add more stuff here, let me go back to the footer. Yeah, here it is footer, right? It open, then you will see here some items you want to add more, like visit some like visit 5, visit 6, not here, but you can drag it to the upper row or middle row, downside row, anywhere. Visit 5 I drop here upper side, but if I click there is nothing. You can click here add block. Now you can decide what you want to display. Example, you want to display logo here, upper side the contact info, right? So that's why we choose top row. Let me choose image. Here we have to upload our logo. Let me click on it, upload. Now let me choose my logo just to show you. Okay, here it is, and now our logo will be shown in the footer. Here it is. You can adjust it like that, how bigger you wanna, like that, and click on align left. It will be align left side here. First you have to adjust it how bigger you wanna, like that. Okay, but we have to make changes to the color on footer. For that, let me go to design, let me go back the footer. In the footer, customize footer area, customizing, there is an element where we can add element. There is another option, footers, global footer, click on it. There is changes, if you wanna make changes in the background footer color. Here it is, contain background, you can change it this way. Okay, if you make changes to the white or any other color, then you have to make sure for the content should be in the black. Okay, but there are some title is in white. Let me click on one by one all those. Go to design, and here font color, make it black, make it black. Okay, all way, and this way you can make changes to the design. But if you not see, or just click on the item and where you can make changes to the color. Let me select, and here you can change color. Okay, but if you want to keep it black color or something other, you can go back, open footer and footers, global footer, and make changes to the color, any other color. Okay, for example, black. So my logo, your logo must be in white color, so it will be visible. Okay, this is just to show you how you can drag it. And now front of the logo you wanna show here icon, so it look beautiful instead of the downside icon. So I just look for where is the social. It's in the bottom row, right? I drag it to upper side, front of my logo, and you can track it right away. It will be in the front of my logo. Looks beautiful now. Okay, this way you can change all these things in the footer section. So after footer we have a sidebar option. Let's click on sidebar. This sidebar you can use in pages as well as in blog post. If I visit any page, let me click on any page, scroll down, let me click on blog. Here you can see we have sidebar here. You can directly click here on edit. For the sidebar, click on edit and it will open sidebar position. Let me click one back here, and here we have if you want a sidebar or no. Okay, so sidebar, if you wanna change sidebar type 2, type 3, type 4, you can change this sidebar. The sidebar will show on blog pages. And if you wanna make changes to the sidebar width, you can adjust width like that. Okay, I will recommend 25, 27, 28 for width of sidebar. If you want a sidebar gap, you can go with 4%. You can increase or decrease here. Then we have sticky sidebar. If you wanna make this sidebar sticky, it will be sticky there. Okay, then sidebar visibility. If you wanna enable sidebar for mobile devices, you have to enable here mobile device and open my website for mobile, and you will see sidebar in the mobile, but it will visible downside here in the mobile unit like that. Okay, if you don't want to show in the mobile, just uncheck this option. As you can see, we have here mobile sidebar position. In mobile it can show to the bottom or top. Okay, after this let's publish this one. After sidebar we have colors, where you can change colors of overall color for your website. If I go to color 1, color 2, color 3, you can change your website colors. For business website, I always recommend to keep your color within your brand colors. Like if you already have a brand logo or a brand colors, I will recommend to use those brand color on your website. You also can change these colors by one, H1 heading, H2 heading, borders, text selection, links. Okay, then you also can change global color. For example, this is color 1. Let me click on it and I can adjust my color. Okay, if which color you wanna, like that, and you will see here it will change. You can see my mouse here, it changed right away like that, pink like that. Okay, you can try out different colors for your website. Looks good. Okay, so it match with the button. Okay, then don't forget to click on publish. Let's go back. Next we have a typography, where you can change font of your website. Base font, H1 font, you can change all these fonts by clicking here. First option, system default, you can click here and choose your font like that, and it will change right away here. You can try out different fonts here and click publish. Next we have performance, which is important. and it will help you to optimize increase the speed of your website. As you can see, all options are enabled here, like lazy load image. Definitely it increase performance of your website. For lazy load image, if they will only able to see images when they scroll down, that called lazy load. It increase the website speed. Post page title feature image, you can enable all these things. You also can use dynamic CSS output, file or inline. I will suggest go with file. Okay, then downside we have post type, where we have a blog post. Here, how you wanna show your blog post, we have 2 rows right now. You can change to the design of your blog post, how they will look like that. You can change the style of your blog post this way. Looks good. Okay, so we will go with this one, simple one. Number of posts, how many posts you want to display on the blog page. You can increase number 4 to 5, 6, 7 like that. Okay, then we have a content area vertical spacing, only top. You can try out by changing these things. Then we have a sidebar. If you want to enable sidebar for blog post, you can disable sidebar here. Okay, now looks good. I don't want a sidebar, but if you want a sidebar, you can keep this on. Pagination, definitely I want to enable pagination for my blog post. If they keep scroll down, they will see new post there. So enable the pagination. If you will click this more option, and you will find out pagination type, load more, previous and next post, or you can go with infinite scroll. When they just scroll, they will see new post there. Okay, you can try out these options. Don't forget to click publish. Then we have a cards reveal effect. If you wanna reveal card effects, yeah, it looks good. Cards reveal effect overall. Then you can click on design. You can design your page a background here. For blog post page background, you can just to try out different color. You can change this into site background by clicking here, site background. Here you can choose the background color for the blog post. Here, site background, the last option, like that. If you want to change background of your website pages, I think go with little gray one. Looks good. Yeah, beautiful. But if you want to keep white, you can also keep white. Just click on white. Okay, publish. Let's go back, and then we have pages. How you want to show your pages. Even if I click on about us page, how you want your about us page should show like. Okay, you can change normal width. You can go with the narrow width, so it will be busy in it will be visible in narrow width, but I would recommend to go with the normal width one. Or if you want a sidebar in the pages as well, you can go with the left sidebar or right sidebar, like that. In the pages, the sidebar will show in the pages as well. I will recommend go with normal width. And then content area style boxed. If you want to make content area box, keep it wide. Then we have if you want to show a feature image for the pages, I don't want to show feature image for the pages. Share box, if you enable this one, it will open share box. If you scroll down, yeah, here it is. This is the share box. People will able to click and share your particular page. Okay, if you want to keep enable, just enable it. If you want to enable also comments or not, just disable comments for your pages. I will not recommend to enable page comments for the pages. Keep it disabled always, so our website become more secure. Click publish. Let's go back. Next we have author page, search page. You can try out all these things. Next we have a core option where we have a site identity. Okay, menus, you can change your menus here. Okay, by clicking menu and create new menu. But if you already have menu here, you can open your menu, and if you want to add more item to the menu, just click add item and select the page you want to add. Just to click this plus icon and it will be added to the menu. Okay, if you want to add categories or post, just scroll down to category and add your category to the menu section. Okay, don't forget to click publish. Next we have a voiced. We have nothing in voiced. Homepage setting, make sure your homepage is selected properly here. Okay, and blog page, make sure you are set to a static page. Okay, now let's go to start customizing our homepage. This one, the main, which is very important. Now we will customize it with Elementor. You will see option added with Elementor upper side. If you not see, you have to make sure go to your website first and make sure your Elementor, go to Elementor and setting, make sure it's enabled here, both post and pages. Post type is enabled here and save changes. Okay, then after we will go to pages, click all pages. Make sure you will find your home page here, home page, front page, Elementor. You can click here, add it with Elementor your home page, or if you see already this uppers, if I go to my website, okay, you also can click here, add it with Elementor. If you see this admin panel, when you click on add it with Elementor, the Elementor customize area will open here. Your site does not have a default kit, you can click here recreate kit. Okay, then regenerate recreate kit, click on it and it will recreate kit for you for Elementor and save changes. Now we will go back again to our home page. Here we will click add it with Elementor again. This time we will customize our home page. Yeah, here it is. Now we will keep scroll down, any area you wanna customize or change, just scroll your mouse over there and start change. Okay, like that. Okay, example, you wanna change, hey friends, we are creative themes, modern digital agency. Okay, just right click on it, edit heading, and here left side in the title option, just to provide your lines you want to add for your website, for your business. Here you want to add image in the right side, or if you want to background, you can see background image, the globe one, this one, you can right click, simply edit section, go to style, and you will see that image is here. Okay, you can remove this background image by clicking just remove. Then you can adjust the background color of this particular area by clicking color and adjust this one like that. Okay, now looks visible and good. Then this box area is empty, we have to drag image element here. For that I will click here add element and I will look for image. I will drag image here in the box right side. So here I will put my image. So I will click on choose image on the left side and let me choose any image. Here it is. Okay, you can select image resolution to full, so it will become full resolution, looks nice. Okay, then you can click publish to try out changes. Okay, publish, and you can click here review changes and you can try out if how it look like. Okay, if you wanna make smaller image, just go back, try out, go with medium one and publish. You can just try refresh the medium one if how it look like, or you can do one more thing, go to style option and you can adjust the height of the image here like that, and you can close the left hide panel, okay, to check if how it look like. If look like good, and you're good to go, or you can adjust more width or more height, okay, like that. If everything looks good, then you can go ahead. Don't forget to click publish. Now make sure you change this heading and description. For the button, you can hover your mouse to button, either you can right click edit button for both buttons, and here left side there is a text, see our services. You can change this one like contact us, and here make sure you provide link. If you don't remember your link, just delete everything from the link option and start typing like contact us page, con contact, and you will find out here it will suggest you some pages. Just to select the pages you wanna provide here, the link to page, any page. It can be about us, it can be contact us. Just to select the page like that. When someone click, it will bring them to contact us page. Same here, learn more, right click edit button. You can change this text from learn more, but before that you can change, you have to decide what link you want to display here. But if you want to display some external link, like you want to bring people to your appointment example, make sure you have already link of your appointment platform, then you have to just provide link here. You can provide external link, that's okay. External link means not within your website, link from somewhere else. If they click, they will visit to that appointment page. It can be provided by other service or other website. You have to provide the link. If someone click, they will visit to this particular link. Okay, don't forget to click publish. Now let's move down here. What we do, we have to provide description of our business. Then we have some boxes where you can display about your business, what you deal with, what you sell, or what you trade with. You can provide details. But if you only require 3 box, you don't need some more box. Just click on, for example, you want to delete down row, just to hover the mouse and you will find out this is a small delete section option. Click on it. Now we have only left 3 box. Okay, you also can change the button here, view pricing, take action. You can change all these things. Okay, but if you want to add more boxes, you want to display 4 boxes in this same row, go to any box and duplicate it. Before that, make sure you have to adjust the width of this box area. Okay, you can just click, hover the line of section and then go to style, where you can adjust the width of this particular boxes. Okay, then downside you can display about more information about your website, quality, who we are, our mission, our vision, anything here, these things. You can also change this particular image. Just to hover the mouse to image, right click, edit column, go to style, change your image here. Okay, keep scroll down. For example, here you want to display, this is a contact us button. Okay, just to click on it and you can change it here. You want to change any color of any particular element. Example, this row you want to change color, or example, this red color you want to change it. Just to bring come over your mouse here anywhere right click, edit section. Now go to style section. Here you can change color of that particular section. Okay, adjust the color here. You also can provide short code here, color code downside. You have to change button color. Go to button, click on it, and go to style, text color or background color. Change the background color of your button, and text color should be black or white, like that. Don't forget to click publish. This is very easy to customize everything, guys. If you have any question, you can ask me in the comments. In next video I will definitely make another tutorial for you. So for now, thank you so much for watching this video. I really appreciate it.